Hi boys and girls. Today for Fundations, we're going to learn 2 new trick words. So remember, trick words are words that we can't tap out. They're words that we have to know by seeing them. The first one we're going to do is kind of like the longest word you've ever learned in your whole entire life, but it's not the word A, it is the word I. So I want you to notice a couple things about this word. First is that this whole word is one letter. The second is that I, when we use it as a word, has to be uppercase. So if we were going to write uppercase I as a word, we would start at our skyline and go straight down to our grass line. And then we would trace along the skyline and along the grass line. So our I is touching 3 lines, our skyline, our plane line, and our grass line. And like I said, whenever we use it as a word, it is always going to be uppercase. So take your skywriter, and I want you to skywrite I 3 times. Very good. Once you're done skywriting, I want you to think of your own sentence that you could use the word I in. So my example would be, I would really like to go to Target. Or I really like mint chocolate chip ice cream. So I want you to think of a sentence that you use the word I in. And you can tell someone around you. The next word that we're going to learn is not I, but you. Y-O-U, you. So if we're going to write you, we're going to erase our I first. We're going to start at our plane line, slide to our grass line, then go back to our plane line and slide backwards past our grass line all the way to our worm line. O, and U. Okay, so Y-O-U spells you. What lines is my U touching? I'm only touching 3 lines again, but I'm touching my plane line, my grass line, and my worm line. So you skywrite you 3 times. So you take your skywriter and go Y-O-U-U. So do it 3 times. Once you're done, I would like for you to think of your own sentence that uses the word you. So my example could be, would you like to go to Target? So tell someone around you the sentence that you think of with the word you in it. All right, so now I have my sentence frames. So this is going to be my first sentence. How many words are going to be in my first sentence? Count my blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who remembers what this guy is at the end? What is he used for? Punctuation. This guy is a little bit raised in the beginning, and that's to remind us that we always have to start our sentence with a capital letter. So my sentence for our first one is, I am happy. All right. I am happy. What did I forget at the end? I forgot my punctuation mark. So I could use a period, but this time I'm going to use an exclamation point. So it reads, I am happy. All right, so let's circle our trick word. So remember our 2 trick words that we just did? Which one should I circle? I, because that was our trick word. Any other trick words? Am happy? No other trick words. But let's scoop this sentence so we're not reading it like a robot. So if I were going to scoop this, I would scoop it as, I am happy. I am happy. For our next sentence, so So I have how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words in this sentence, and my punctuation at the end. So this sentence is going to read, can you come play with me? Let's read it. Can you come play with me? What kind of sentence is that? Should I put a period at the end? Should I put an exclamation point at the end? Question mark? Can you come play with me? I hope you said a question mark, because that is definitely a question. Can you come play with me? Can you spot the trick word in this sentence? Remember, we learned 2 today. We already did I. What was the other one? You. Can you come play with me? Now that we circled our trick word, let's scoop the sentence. So I would say, can you come play with me? Can you come play with me? So I'm not reading it like a robot because it's scooped now. All right, guys. See you later.